Homelessness is a big issue in the city of Anchorage. So, what do leaders here think about this Supreme Court case and the idea of banning homelessness? Your Alaska Link's Ian Stewart has reaction.
With the Supreme Court hearing to decide whether to ban homelessness, the question is, what could happen here in Anchorage? At the moment, the city isn't allowed to move the homeless off municipal lands due to certain protections.
It's all contingent upon the number of shelter beds. So if you have 500 homeless, you provide 501 shelter beds, then you can go in and enforce your municipal code. We don't have that.
For Mayor Bronson, it's proven difficult to navigate the homeless issues, being unable to enforce any sort of city code to get them off the streets or muni lands.
On June 1st, we have 874 that are going to come out of hotels that we're contracted with and fall on the street with no place to go. That's why we need a shelter.
In September 2023, the city signed an amicus brief joining 16 other cities to effectively address the homelessness crisis.
And one of the things that we signed on to was the amicus brief, and we wanted the Supreme Court to relook at that decision and see if there was any relief to offer for us for time, place, and manner restrictions.
According to the municipality, depending on what the Supreme Court decides, the abatement of Cuddy Park is still justified and under city code.
There is some exemptions for us under Martin versus Boise, and we're using those exemptions on that piece of property.
The city would also continue its efforts in putting the homeless into permanent housing. Ian Stewart, your Alaska Link.